Hi, to enable and disable flashlight on Xiaomi 13, we got two ways, and the second way will be the most interesting. So, let's start with the first one, which is going in the control center. For that, just swipe down from the upper right corner and find this flashlight icon. To enable flashlight, you will need to tap it once so it will light up orange, and now you can use your flashlight. To disable, just tap it again so it will become gray like that. Enabled and disabled. And now, the most interesting way, the second one, is we can launch our flashlight with the help of double tapping power button. And for that, we will need to go in the settings. From here, select additional settings, then choose gesture shortcuts and go in this section turn on flashlight. And here, make sure to enable this cool feature, double press the power button. Now let's try this out. I'm gonna double press the power button, like that. Let's just unlock the phone and double press it. And now the flashlight is on. To disable it, we will need to double press again. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.